In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Whop as a payment processor. Start by opening Whop and signing in. On the left-hand sidebar, head to the business section to access your workspace, then open your dashboard. From there, go to Products. This is where you'll set up how you charge for access. Pick the product you want to monetize and click into it to open the editor. Inside the product editor, locate the pricing area. Switch the access type to paid so customers are prompted to check out. Next, decide how you want to charge. If you want ongoing revenue and automatic renewals, choose recurring. If you prefer a single payment that never renews, select one time. For this walkthrough, let's stick with recurring. Enter your price carefully. Consider any fees or taxes you need to cover so your take-home matches your expectations. Then choose the billing interval. Monthly is a popular option for subscriptions because it's predictable for both you and your customers. After that, pick the currency you want to charge in so the checkout displays correctly for your audience. If it fits your offer, you can include a free trial. Trials are a great way to reduce purchase friction. Just set a length that gives customers time to experience value without delaying revenue longer than necessary. Right below, review your plan settings. This is where you fine-tune how the plan behaves, such as access and renewal details, so everything aligns with your policy. Next, customize payment methods. Enable the options you want customers to see at checkout. Turn on card to accept standard debit and credit payments. You can also enable wallet options if they're available to you, which can speed up checkout for customers who prefer alternative or accelerated payment methods. When everything looks good, save your work by clicking Save Product. That applies your pricing, trial, and payment method choices to the product so it's ready to sell. Take a moment to preview the checkout to confirm the price, interval, currency, and payment options display exactly as intended. And that's how to use Whop as your payment processor for a product.